So here is our second day of the LeetCode programming. The question here is saying that add two numbers. So let me read the question thoroughly. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. So we have two linked lists, and that two linked list is not empty. It is mentioned here, not empty, and it contains non-negative integer. That means it contains positive integers. So the digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contains a single digit. So each nodes in the linked list contains a single digit, not a double, triple, only single digit numbers are stored in the nodes of the linked list and it is written in reverse order. So what does reverse order here means? I will explain you later. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. So we have to add the two numbers which are in the linked list and then we have to return the sum of it as a linked list. So here it is explanation is given. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number zero itself. So here is an example. First 243. This is means consider this as linked list 1 and this is linked list 2. So here it is containing 243 and since it was written in reverse order, the number exactly would be 342 because it is written that it is written in reverse order. Here you can see it is written that it is written in stored in reverse order. So the actual number here is 342 and here 465. So what would be the sum of these two numbers? So 5 2. So since it is written backward, so we will not start the addition from this side. We have to start the addition from here. So 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 carry 1, 4 3 7 carry 1 8. So here the input, for example, the input is taken as 243. This is linked list 1 and linked list 2 is 564. So addition is 2 and 5 sums up to 7, 4 and 6 sum up to 10. So 0 carry 1 and 3 and 4 carry 1 sums to 8. So here 708 is the output. And here explanation is also given you 342. That means reverse order and here also 465 reverse order here. So now another example you can see if L1 contains 0, L2 contains 0, so the sum will be 0. Okay, here 9 and this also. See, if you will add it reverse, take this reverse, take this reverse and add, the sum would come out to be this much. Means this much. This is reverse order. This is also in reverse order, so it will be 100,09998 like this. So for this, let us start the coding. The number of nodes in each linked list is in the range of 1 to 100 and nodal value is 0 to 1. Yes, it is said before only because it is a positive integer and a single digit number. It is guaranteed that the list represents a number that does not have a leading zeros. Okay. So for starting this, we first have to, we are coding in Java. So first we will create a dummy list. So how to create a dummy list? So for that we have to write over here list node. Let me take the name as dummy itself. Dummy is equal to new list node and 0. Okay, so here we have created a dummy list. So okay, after creating this dummy list, now we will initialize a pointer. So for initializing a pointer, I am naming the pointer as let me name first create. So list node. Let me name the pointer as cur. Cur means for cur stands for cursor equal to what it will be equal to this name of the this dummy. So done. So now we have we are initializing a pointer. Let me comment it. Initializing a pointer. Okay. So now we will initialize our carry value with zero initials. So for that we have to assign it the value of. Now we have to take an integer value, and let's take a variable name as carry, and let it initialize the value 0. So let me comment this as well. What does this mean? Initializing initializing our carry with 0 initial. Okay. Since now we have created a dummy list, now initialize the pointer, and initializing our carry with zero initials, carry variable with zero initial. Now we will run a while loop. So while loop will run until L1, that is linked list 1, and linked list 2 does not reaches null, or if they both reaches null but carry has some value in it. Okay, we will add that as well into our list. So for that we have to start a while loop. So while loop linked list 1 linked list 1 exclamation is not equal to, so the value should not equal to null first of all, or means it should not be empty, and as well as linked list 2 should not, where is it? It should not be equal to null, or carry is equal to 1. So the means that carry value is equal to. So now uh, let me take int. So let me initialize the value of sum. Now we will run an if loop, adding, and that if loop will add L1 to our sum and moving L1. Let me write the code first. If L1 is not equal to null, then in that case sum plus equal to L1 dot. So what would be the code for that? val, and L1 will equal to L1 dot. Now next. Okay, so here we have done this. Now again, in for this one we have done for linked list 1. Now we will do for linked list 2. If same thing we have to write for that means linked list 2, L2 is not equal to null, semicolon parenthesis, sum plus equal to L2 dot val, L2 is equal to L2 dot next. Okay, done. So now we have done adding L1 to our sum and moving L1, and adding L2 to our sum and moving L2. Now we will, if we have carry, then add it into our sum. So for that, if we have now carry, if there is a value in carry, then we have to add it in the sum. So for that, how we will do it? So sum plus equal to, so the form means the code will be plus equal to is equal to carry. So this code will add it into the sum if we have a carry. Now if we have a carry, then divide it by 10 to get the carry. So we have to code it as carry is equal to sum divided by 10. So this will store the value of carry if there is carry. Now the value that we will get by moduling it will become a new node. So add it to our list. So for adding to our list, what we will do? List. So for adding, it will be list node is equal to new list node. Okay. So module formula. Okay. So this will contain the means this will store the value. Now cursor will point to that new node if we get. So for that, we have to code it as cur dot next equal to node semicolon, and then update the current every time. So for updating it, we have to use next. Cur is equal to cur dot next. So this is done. Now we have to return dummy dot next if we don't want the value we have considered it in initially. So for doing that, we have to do it, because these are the process that will take place when int carry is equal to 0. But if it is not, then we will return dummy dot next. Return dummy dot next semicolon. So this would be the code. Let me check if it runs or not. Yes, it runs. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you got the what I explained you. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring and never become disappointment, as there are many opportunities waiting for you. If you did not succeed in the present one, then the new more big opportunity was waiting for you. That's why you did not get that small opportunity which you, due to which you are means sad, because don't become sad, because more big opportunities are on your way. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.